Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Peter Street in Eccles to show you this fantastic and beautifully presented throughout 3-bedroom semi-detached property which benefits from a kitchen extension. So coming through the property we head into a porch and our entrance hallway which leads through to this absolutely beautifully presented open plan lounge diner. So it's bay fronted and there is a low maintenance garden to the front as well as the rear garden benefiting from being landscaped in the last couple of years. So we've got a great space through here, we've got storage under the stairs. This flows through to this beautiful modern fitted extended kitchen. As you can see, we've got lots of wall and base units here, as well as a breakfast bar. Great space at the back of the property. And then our side door comes round to the low maintenance landscaped garden. So we've got turf lawn, paving, we've got a seated area there at the back, as well as high fencing the whole way round. Nice and secure and private. So we've got a very generous sized garden as well as having the benefit of this extended kitchen and side access as well. So heading to the top of the stairs. So the first floor we've got 3 generous sized bedrooms and a very nicely presented modern 4-piece bathroom suite. So this property would make an excellent first time buy or family home. Situated close to lots of amazing amenities, local parks and schools, and within walking distance to the Trafford Centre as well. So coming through to our main bedroom, we've got here bay fronted, lots of space as well as fitted wardrobes and storage above the bed there. Then coming through to our second bedroom, so our second double here, currently used as a dressing room. Lots of great space throughout this property and is in moving condition. This is our bathroom. So we've got a lovely modern 4-piece bathroom suite here. As you can see, we've got a shower and a bath as well, making it very convenient for families and first-time buyers alike. And then completing this great property, we have our 3rd bedroom here. Again, another generous sized bedroom. This is just used as storage at the moment. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this fantastic property we've got here on Peter Street in Eccles, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.